may pause button na tayo. May pause button na dito, lumabas. Inayos ko na siya. Okay. Hindi ko pa rin alam. Paano ba to? Hindi ko pa rin idea paano gamitin yung ito. Yung classes. Paano ko siya i-apply dito? Hindi ko pa rin magets. So far, okay naman. Hindi ko lang alam paano siya i-apply. Try natin ulit. Yep, show balance, have 999. Ito tayo withdraw. Gusto ko ng mapitira piso lang. 1. Ay, may dollar sign pala, okay. 100, 101. Okay. Paano ko to galagyan ng hindi ko maintindihan yung idea. Using ko muna yung user input, wait lang. Design lang to. Do. Yan ba? Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, like 18. Let's see, ano itsura niya na. Okay, Bank Simulator. Yun. Yun, okay. Mas okay na siya tignan. Okay. So, ask ChatGPT, paano ba ito gagawin? Let's see. Basic low working. Yep. Change pin, no, ano. Don't allow withdrawals greater than the balance. Ay, oo. This is right. Minimum balance warning, show warning. If balance drops. Complicated din. Sige. This is nice. Clear. User experience. Clear screen. Console clear when returning to menu. Ano yun? Delay animation. Oh, mayroon pala ganun. Yung parang fake na loading screen. Processing. Okay. Show balance with proper currency. Oof. Complicated. Multiple accounts. Store account in library dictionary. Mm. So you're gonna have let the other users, okay? That's too much. Yun, kailangan file saving. Overdraft. Ito oo nga no. Else balance rim na to. Saan ba yan? Wait. Saan yan? Sa withdraw. So, gawin ko na lang siya if statement. What's wrong here? Anong mali dun? Oh my god, sige na nga. Bakit mali? Anong mali? Parang yung worst case scenario dapat yung ano. Would this work? Almost nila ka idea pero tama naman ata to. I don't know, maybe let's try. Okay. Nangyari, 10,000 try natin. Lah! Nagalaw pa rin. Mali, baliktad. Try ko lang to. I don't know about this, but let's try. Break it. Break it till you make it. To withdraw. Okay, it still works. Tama. Isayin natin. Wait lang ha. Prevent overdraft. Okay, nagawa na to. It's gonna be a short session long, so we'll try to fix all of this. Okay. Is in main, but in OOP, you'd put related data and methods inside classes, make it cleaner and reusable. Ito nga yung iniisip ko eh. Paano pag pinasok ko lahat dun sa, kasi pwede pa naman, naka-method type pa naman siya. Just here, pwede ko pa tong ilipat. Si show ba, si withdraw, tsaka si deposit. So, si bank account. Kung gagawa ako ng account, kailangan ko maglagay ng, I have to make a database kasi, for example, you have an account, open a bank account doon, and that, if I input that account, that will come up with a specific number, and how will I come up with a specific number? It has to be saved, diba? How will I do that? My account, new, so bank account is a, insert your card, starting balance, console, please enter your 6 pin. Yeah, almost same as mine. Hindi ka akin na. Naka-convert pala, sorry. You could turn it maybe, let's see. Sige, gawin na tayo ng classics. I don't do this. Ito naman dyan eh. Tama error niyan, oof. Oh, may mouse. Why public? But private? Hindi, wala kasing balance, dito. Huh. Ito the problem, si balance remaining. Oh, how can I get that value? Feeling ko kailangan i-public si balance rem. So, balance rem in public balance rem. Kasi hindi ata possible yun. O yun, si bank account lets you easily extend transaction history list. Okay. Ito muna, isipin mo natin paano to. Bank account. Initial balance nga. Show ba? Ay. Okay, sige. yung balance C? Ay wait, ito ata si balance. Integer balance, public bank account, integer. Initial ba? So kinonvert mo si balance rem dito. Oh my god. My god, may mouse. Ayaw ng mouse ko ng ano ng mga may dust. Nangyari. Yes, okay. Balance is oh my god, interpolation with the formats. Oh my goodness. Ano yan? Means embedded. Balance is a format specifier. C stands for currency. Wait, what? What? See that something? Format specifier for currency. Totoo yun? N is for commas. Okay. Okay, naalala ko na. Okay, kasi may ganito rin si Python. Mukha siyang emoji. Mm. Okay. So, meron tayong methods. Kailangan ko mag-outage ng field para dito. When you move to classes, you should live inside. Huh? Should live inside the object instead of main. Yes. Int initial balance. So alabas dito initial balance. Static void. Instead of balance 299, you can now create an account with a starting balance. Now balance is inside my account. Whoa, what the hell? May account na. And you can use methods to access it. Okay. Balance is a field inside the class and you work it through. So show balance, withdraw with deposit. Ano daw? Huh? Ano? This replaces balance rem. constructor. Yeah. Ah, ito constructor. Okay, sa public bank account. Ba't bank account yung pangalan niya? Sabi dito, ano, balance is equal to initial balance. Bank account, you can now create an object with starting. Wait nga. Tapos, ano yan? Ano bang ginawa dun? Sugat yung bagong variable, si balance. Pwede yung pangalan ko ni balance rin eh. Wait, I have a yung ano. Naman yun. Ay, no. This is a ano, a field. Private integer balance. So, meron niya ano. So, this is a ano, container something. Then, so lahat ng balance na papalitan ko ng balance. Then, posted ko naman na yung isa, yung first version. So, ayun. Ayoko niyan. Okay na to. Wala, hindi ko na... Wait lang, ba't hindi na parehas? Kailangan ko na gamitin yung ano. Para magamit ko tong mga to. Gamitin yung banks. Banks pa, tama ba gamit ko to? Tapos gamit ko my account. Kailangan ko pala muna. Teka lang. Banks? Pwede ba? Yes ko muna kung pwede ba to. Tumawala na to. Teka lang. That's how I would do it. Pero hindi ko gets. Calling instances methods like static. Ah, static. Okay. Kailangan ko pala na static. Public static void. Bam. Yun, nabawasan na. Anong problem na ito? Bakit sa class not an object are instances methods, meaning you must call them on an object, not the class itself. Oh my gosh. Create an object my bank, tapos tsaka ka magko-call. May nang weird pa rin sa akin ng object oriented. Banks my bank, new banks 999. Shit. C# my bank. Okay. So kailangan mo ng wait lang, ba't ganun? Ano to? Create an object. So may object akong my bank from banks. Yan ang weird pa ng object oriented. After that, okay na ti. Ano tong 9999 na to? Initial balance. So balance, so banks, galing kay banks, new banks. Oh my gosh, gets ko na. Field niya yun. So ito yung constructor. Kasi kung nakalagay sa constructor, lalabas sa field. So what I did was, I made a constructor for this field. Then you have a certain so initial balance. Paglagay ka ng banks, ito yun yung banks 99999. New banks 999. Then ito yung nasab sa my bank. Whew. Okay. Then gagamitin ko na yung object kung ginawa ni my account. Pangalan, my bank. So ito na yung ano, my bank. Okay. Let's try. Okay. 10,000. Okay. Nangyari. There is sufficient funds. Yes. Ay, sorry. Ito pala. Sorry. Okay. Try 6 and 6 and 6. Okay. Nagdagdagan at ayusin mo rin yan. Okay. Ah, hindi. Tama din pala. 5,400. So, nagdag lang. Yeah, that's right. Pangit kasi ito. Try natin ulit. Okay. 4 exit. Nice. Nice. parang mas maganda may ganun din sa babae nun. Mas maganda, lagyan mo rin siya ng may saan ba? Before or after statement? After na. Try again. Ah, nagdoble. No need. Nagdoble. Okay, no. Not a good idea. Okay, let me try to grasp things. Okay. So, si my new bank ay new object. Si my bank ay new object na galing kay my banks. Ayan ang word ng object-oriented. So, gagawa ng bagong object which is si my bank from banks. Mag-save siya. So, yung banks. So, 999 is a integer which is balance. Then balance became balance. Came from initial balance. Then, ayun, field. Ay, methods to eh. The field tong balance. Balance sa field. And this is a constructor. Constructor takes the value of a value of the sa galing sa object which is here, takes that number, turns it into balance, temporary, parang temporary, ano siya, different value which only works in this class. Tanggal ng curly braces. I get it, I got it. Dito lang. Naglagay na, naglagay na. Yeah, I did. Okay. Yeah. Called method classes but instead of classes. Pascal case. Ano ko na yun. Itong transaction history, magagawa ka ata ng file type. Ngayon, kailangan magawa ng account system. Then, but for now, explain. Medyo confusing. Here's where question. Yes. Class not a thing itself, it's the design of things. Okay, a class is a bank, it's like a blueprint. An object like my bank is the actual bank account that holds the real balance. Class, blueprint, object. Oh, okay, so we need, okay. So you need a object in order to use a class. Why not use it directly? Should it show? Banks itself doesn't have a balance, it's just idea. See what's the data like balance. Actually, pwede na to. Papalitan mo na lang to. Gawa ng bagong variable. Then, ito, change sa variable na you need to make. Then, yun, panibago na naman yun, which is yung account system na we need to work on. Exception study. Sometimes you do need an object. If, ayun yung static nito, okay. You make a method static, like, you don't need to create math object. Okay. So, you can make this into a static. Or like a method itself. Kasi kapag ginawa ko static si banks, gagana to eh. Ay, hindi. Sorry. Si showball. So, pag nilagay ko yung showball, ay no. Kasi static siya. Pero pag hindi siya static, wala pa rin yan.
Haven't heard it. Put my makeup here.
Ah,
Go
no.
there. I'm straightening my hair.
Static pa eh.
Hey.
Make method na static. You don't need to create a math object. That's because math has no personal state. Just calculate stuff. You make a method static like math square root 25. You don't need to create a math object. Paano yun? Tama naman ah. Yeah. Ibutuin nga static to. Ay, sorry, kaya pa nag-i-error kasi hindi siya nag-i-exist within the inside the class. Sorry. Try lang to. Divide na lang. Divide. Madali. David. DVD. I'm sure gamitin. Try lang. Okay. So nga public static void to. It knows na nandun siya. Oh, diba? But like, it's the idea, yung static na idea, which is you can use this. Kalito. My goodness. Yes. Tawag yun. Objects. Object method fields need new. Ayun nga eh. What's happening here? Okay, wait. Class dog publishing name. So, kuha na yung name. Static field shared with all dogs. Okay. Dog count string name. Ito constructor. When you make a new dog. Make a new dog, maghanap siya ng when make a new dog, you will find name and mag-add ng dog count. So, every new dog. Object method only works only on an object. Bark. Public void bark. Yep. Okay. Sige, yaman mo na. Okay lang yan. Eh, pa-explain ko na nga lang kay ChatGPT. Mixing instance method and static methods here. Let me walk through what's happening in the wrong snippet. You cannot define a class, a method, if blocks like that. Ano yun? Wrong. You mark DVD as static. Static belongs to the class itself, not an object. Call it like this. Oh, wait. Eh, nakakalito. Ito yung pinaka-nakakalitong part eh. Kailangan ko tawagin si Banks. Mag-o-okay to. Yun, nag-okay siya. I did a thing without using the objects. To be called an object, mybank.dvd, and remove the static. Calling static may like instance method. So parang double-edged knife si static. Static, you can access the method as itself without using a object. But all of the all of the was something, it will be on public. If choice that DVD static method siya. Ito yung instance method and static method. Yun. Belongs to the class itself. Static method. No objects needed, can only use static fields. Works. It's been the biggest aha moment. Static method shared but no memory per object. A static method field belongs to the class itself. Missing. Oh. Wait. It will just do what the thing. So, kunyari. Wala. Example. Public static int balance 0. Static siya. Okay. Equals 0. Bank account balance 100. Bank account balance 200. There's only one balance for the whole class. If you wanted two accounts. Man, I need to make accounts para mag-gets ko ng maayos to. Okay. Bad for banking. We make objects with new. Each one keeps its own state. Yes. When to use which. The method doesn't depend on object data. Okay. A global counter, how many account exists? Yep. Data per object, yes. So ginamit ko si ano in this scenario, I think. Ginamit ko yung tawag ito, object, since we need to store some sort of something. So if I do the static, no. May nilalog ba na account para may gets ko to? Basically writing procedure called C. Ayun, no. You couldn't have multiple accounts or dogs or cats or players. You'd basically be writing procedural code. Procedural code, what's that? Gives you reusability and separation of data. Ayun, general tool shared by data. Okay. So you can't use static. Pati ko gamit ka pa nito if you can use this all the time. So you can't use it. Okay, objects. Real things each their own data. Create data when separate copies of the same class, each holding its own values. Okay. The oldest style. Oh, so ganito ako gumawa. Old style. A list of steps execute in order is usually starting globe. Oh, ganito nga ako mag-code. Ganito nga ako gumawa. Oh my god. Ano to? Procedural? Show balance. Yep. Balance. Balance plus equal. One global balance. Ganito kayo nung ginawa eh. Okay. Ito ang pinakamagandang part ng C# which is OOP. Object-oriented percent programming. Each object has its own data, field, and behavior. Okay. So, yun pala yung pinaka-gimmick ni C#. You can create multiple objects from the same blueprint class. Pwede yun. Oo, yes. So, you can make other users pala. So, you make, objects to use this class. For example, kailangan gumawa ko ng class ng banks. Pangalan niya may bank, then new bank. Sa new bank na yun, meron siyang integer. Dito na yung constructor papasok. Pero pangalan niya may bank. So, you make a new object for that specific class. So, mag-add pa ako ng ibang class. Ibang class na may pangalan nito. Then, ibang din. Okay, so hindi pa kasi ako naabot sa ganong part ng programming. So, hindi ko pa siya mag-grasp kasi hindi ko siya ma-apply. Pero try natin. Yung maraming class, maraming accounts. So, may medyo mag-grasp. So, try ko siya dito. Okay. It's on balance, yes. Works on both but affect their own account. Okay. Ito nga yung ginagawa ko procedural. No, okay. Yes. Oh my gosh. Ang complicated ng classes. Akala ko ito yung simple lang but no. Apparently not. Still trying to grasp laling classes. Oh my gosh. Okay, so meron tayong instance field. To class. So meron ka insta field. Gamit ka ng speed. Total cars. Counter. Then you have a constructor. So initial speed ng isang car ay speed. So lalabas dun sa pinaka-min. Then total cars mag-add every time. Dito yan lalabas 0. So magka 1. Okay. Car is driving at this speed. Okay. Car show total show. Kailangan mo static. If you're gonna use static only if you are going to make something that's so or public that easily can be called. Or something that can be shared. Ayun na shared. Ayun na lang shared. So what happens in this static field happens to everything. So let's say nag-add. This will change. Okay. Static and call no car needed yet. Car 1, car 2, new car. Creates car with 60. Car with 100. So yeah, okay. Car 1 drive. 60 kmh. Car to drive. Instance. So instance method yung instances. Wow. Okay. So static members is total cars. Tsaka show total cars. Total cars. This one. Tsaka show. Nasaan yan? Show total cars. Para kasi kailangan mo public to static. Same eh. No, in order to work. Okay. Oh, wow. Ang problem ko kasi nagets ko siya dito here in the project. How can we make accounts? Since if you're gonna make open an account, you're gonna need a specifier or something to like a username or a password, parang ganun. In order to make an account. Kasi it only takes 6 pins eh. Okay, lagi akong 6 pin na to. It's account na rin. Possible. Then how do I make data out of that account? Okay. O siguro, okay. Maybe simulator nga lang siya. But like maybe sa multiple accounts na gagawin ko, may specific pin na siya na nakalagay. It's already there. Then may specified a balance just like this, but I'm gonna make multiple of it. Then you can save, silagyan ko na siya ng files or something. Then pag na-save na, then pwede mo na siyang galaw-galawin. Since magsisave naman yung, ano ba yung TXT file? Magsisave mo yung TXT file every time. Then we can make history since nag-add, oh my gosh. Wow. So much, wait lang. Too much to grasp for one thing, okay? Oh my gosh. I'm glad that the classes that we did actually work fine. And I got it, okay. You need a field, you need a constructor, you need a methods. Okay, I got that. I got this now. I need objects, not statics. I got that. But like, man, how's that gonna work? Okay. Oh shit. Speed. Okay. Idea lang ha. Bibigay lahat. Nice. Oh my god, tinigyan niya na. Okay. One balance. Yes. Separately. This is mine. Okay, not mine. Apparently. Now explain. Right now, you have balance variable in your class. No matter who logs in, it will always, okay. You need a copy of your own balance. Each object starts on, oh, so okay. Example, Alice might have, when someone withdraws deposit, you just shows new balance. Yeah? Oh shit. Mic. Okay. Every time something happens, you add a line to that list. Later, when the user asks, you can show them their entire history. Without classes, objects should never have one global. Without class, objects should global balance. With classes, objects should show. Yes. Teka lang. So in each account, it will already have a specified pin to log in and amount to work with. That means the pin. Okay, so if mag-log in ako, kunyari 11111, lalabas yun. Okay. Ka may name pa eh. Alam ko may mga bank na may name eh. Welcome, ganto. So in classes, will I make a new class or like i-continue ko lang si banks? Pero feeling ko I will make a new, no, I have to just continue this I think. So yes, each account already carries its own data, imbalance in history. You just need the logic in the program to be. Okay, give me an idea. Don't give all. Instead of only one account store, bank accounts will be something like list banks. Oh, gagawan list. When user enters the pin, look through the list of accounts. Yes, list. Nalagay niya na. You know, pina-idea ko na form pero sige, ilagay ko muna. So, enters a pin, you loop through the first list. Teka, list or array? Array ang alam mong gamitin eh. Ito ang ginagamit ko, lists. Array pala. Yung list. Yung ano. Yung unlimited. Si array kasi may numbers eh. Dynamic size. Okay. Ito ay may mga method. Iba method kasi ni array tsaka ni list. Find, contain. More flexible for real world programs. Slightly more overhead. Account is fixed. Oh yes. Lists and we have canary more billion real bank. Teka lang, paano gumagana yung list? Is that a mobile phone? Teka lang, let's not get sidetracked. Let's try. Di ko ata nadaanan to, okay?
Alright, welcome back everybody. A list. A list is a data structure that represents a list of objects that can be accessed by index. It's similar to an array, but they can increase and decrease dynamically in size during runtime, which arrays cannot do. So here's an example of an array. An array has a static fixed size,
Okay.
and we cannot change it normally after runtime. So let's create a standard array just for this example. Let's create an array of food. String food equals new string. And let's say that this array has a size of 3. So I'm going to
Ganyan siya ganyan, no? String food.
add some
String.
elements to this array.
Ganda ang keyboard ni Bro Code. Ingay.
And then I can display these elements with a simple for each loop.
Ayun yung for each.
Pizza, hamburger, and hot dog. So if I attempt to add another element
Nga pala, loop nga pala ang ano, for each. Parang loop lang siya, pero nag-print.
to this array, this is what happens. We'll run into an exception, an index out of range exception, because index was outside the bounds of the array. So you can't normally change the size of an array. Another option is to use a list. A list can increase and decrease dynamically in size during runtime. So let's create a list. Step 1 is that we'll need to import system.collections.generic. So include this at the top. I'll place it right underneath using system. And this is how to declare a list. List, then within angle brackets, list the type of object you would like to store.
Yep.
Strings. And then I will name this list food equals new
Kailangan
list.
talaga ano, tong less than greater than.
Angle brackets, the data type again, parentheses, semicolon, and we now have a list named food. And to add elements to this list,
List string food name, then plus new list string.
there is a built-in add method, food dot add. Then within this method, pass in the object you would like to store. I would like to store, let's say, a pizza, then a hamburger, then a hot dog. So food dot add pizza,
Oh, ganun lang.
hamburger, and hot dog. And let's take a look. So we have our pizza, hamburger.
Okay.
To access one of, so it appears that much like an array, you use that set of straight brackets. index 0. And that would be pizza. So accessing an element is the same as an array. You just type the list name and then add a set of straight brackets, then the index number. Okay, so here's a few other useful methods of lists. There is a remove method. Food.remove.
Same sa ano sa Python. Ano ba si list? Ang tawag dun eh. List nga. Tapos kasi dito array. Iba si list tsaka si array. Tapos meron pa yung brackets.
Then type in what you would like to remove. I would like to remove fries. And let's see if that's still in here. Nope, fries is missing. Pizza, hamburger, full methods. So we can insert an object at a given element.
Yung
Food.
find kailangan.
So at the beginning, sushi, pizza, hamburger, the count property. So within a right line statement, I'm going to display food.count property.
Count.
And the current size of our list is 4.
4.
So that is the count property.
Okay.
We can find the index of an element.
Yun index na.
Food.index of. And let's
Teka lang, nagigets ko na.
find where pizza is. So that is at index 0. You can also
Yeah, nagigets ko na. Ito index of, we're gonna use index
find
of.
the last index of a given item. So what if we have fries both in the beginning and at the end? Last in of fries. And the last index of fries is at 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me get rid of that. Okay, we can check to see if our list contains a given item using the contains method.
Contain.
Food dot contains pizza. This
Yup.
will return a boolean true if pizza is with.
True or false. I mean, kailangan ko i-print eh. Magsisave ba? Wait lang. Let me get back. Ouch. Balikan natin yung unang example. Dito ako gagawa ng accounts sa main. May private int balance na ako. Magiging tatlo yan. Private int din. Int pin. Yun lang muna. Yun lang naman. Private int pin. Tatlo yun eh. Tsaka history. Hindi ko pa sure kung ano mag-i-itsure ng history. Ito munang pin.
Within our list and false if not. Pizza is within our list, so that returns true. And that is the contains method. Then we have sort. Food.sort.
Sort.
This will sort our list alphabetically. So our list in alphabetical order is fries, hamburger, hot dog, hamburger. Lastly, we can convert our list into an array.
Zero, wala. Zero.
So I'm going to declare equals food dot to array.
Why?
String item in food array. So we have pizza, hamburger, hot dog, fries. Well, okay then everybody, that is a list. It's similar to an array. It's a data structure that represents a list of. Let's see
May
if that's still insert an object.
Wait lang. Kailangan ko yung ano.
Beginning and at the of fries 3 4 using the contains method. Food dot contains pizza. This will
Pizza.
return a boolean true if pizza.
Hindi yung contain sila index ata. Kasi ginagamit ako ng gatong idea eh. Before, saan ko ginamit yun? May hahanapin siya eh, something. Ito ba yun? Ayun. Mag-run ba to? Nasa C# ako eh. Ayun. Hindi nga siya mag-run. list natin, list, okay. Ano to? List, use index to add string to an existing. Buy milk, clean room. Position equals list that index, yun. Pang add. Add pala to. Kailangan mag-find. Ano ba kailangan dyan? Dalawa lang ba? Man, this is overwhelming. Need a login, a balance, tsaka owner name. Lagyan ko na ba? Sige, lagyan natin owner name. Private string name. So gagawin ko lahat yan ng ganito. Kasi gagana naman yan, balance. Gagawin ko lahat ng constructor. Mamaya. Hindi yan, not used kasi. New bank. O, kunyari, ano ba? Isang pago din yan. Wait lang. Woof! Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Account owner. Okay, appeal. Bilang sa specific account. Ang hint sa akin ni ChatGPT, kailangan ko matang account ng list bank account. Saan ko ilalagay yun? Easy po kasi lagay sa classes. Tama kaya yun? Inside main. Ganun lang. Ito nga dapat sa bank dapat ko dun sa ano to eh, sa class na to ilalagay. Kasi dapat naka-private yan eh. Then main, you'd create bank system object would work. If you're right now, you're still learning, put in the main. Sige, try natin. Try lang. Pag nilalayuan ko sa try. Bakit bawal maglagay ng string sa loob? Walang name, sorry. Kaya pala. Ano name natin ito? Ak na lang. Yun. Ba't nag-ano to? Anong problem ito? Man, sorry hindi ko talaga mag-gets. Kailangan ko maghingi ng tulong eh. Ano to? Nakalimutan ko, wala na pala akong copilot. Ano ba yan? Ba't mali? Ang mali dyan. Kasi wala pa. Ba't kailangan naman ng bank account? Huh? Susundan ko muna ah. Ay, wala pa pala ako dito. Kailangan pala gawin siya constructor. Dapat sama-sama na sila. So, si balance mag-iiba na rin. Okay. Wala pa pala akong constructor. So, hindi ko pa ito pwedeng gawin. Para maging pattern niya ganyan. 11111. 6-digit pin. Then, 500. Yan. Ganyan maging itsura niyan eh. Kasi hindi pala tatalabin kasi wala pa pala akong structure. Oh my goodness. Hindi pala pwedeng strings to kasi meron akong number. Sa initial balance, hindi na initial balance. Pwede ko na magdagdag eh. Pwede naman, i-buy na natin. Name. Shall. Lagay lang natin. Int. Pin. Pabalik-balik tayo mo na lang. Kasi mas nauna si name. Yan. Baliktad na rin. Ito sa pin mo na mauna. Ewan ko lang kung gaano to ah. Wala pa naman siya dito. If I'm right, this is how it should work dapat. Teka lang, magko-contradict pala yung wala. Hindi, tama lang. Name. Initial. Name. Ba't hindi siya lumabas? Nangyari. Ito, ano ba to? Takting spelling kasi. Initial name equals name. Pin. Kagi, wag pin yung pangalan yan. Initial pin din. Initial pin. Yan na. Meron na. Anong mali? Initial name, initial pin, initial balance. True. Initial name, initial pin, initial balance. Anong mali? Tama naman ah. Tama na brackets. Anong next? Ako lang ah. Cannot convert from banks to string. Hindi string. Lagyan na natin ang list. So ano ba? Dapat strings yan eh. Wait lang. Ang ginamit nila doon. Oh. Pwede ba yun? Saan niya kunin yun? Banks. Bank account. So yung list kukuha siya sa kunin yung list sa bank account. Alright. Di mamali na agad to. Saan ito yung right line something na to. Ko-contradict yan. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dalawa lang muna. Dalawang user lang. Ikagi. Itong may bank, wala na yan. Hindi na siya gagana. Sorry. Hindi na tong if pin. Hindi, mag-iiba na yung enter niya. Ito 60 pin eh. Ito yung pin. Int. Int pin. Nasa constructors kasi. Na yung pin. So, kailangan na may activator. So, pag nag-login ako ng pin, lalabas yun doon. If, gagawin ko if, tas else hindi. Else pa naman yun. Okay, ito yung else. Para magbe-break siya. Start this part. Oh my gosh, nantok na ako. Paano ba? Magawa ko lang to, stop na ako. If something. Ito, bingin niya ako. Sa main ko nilagay kasi hirap pa. Sure na yan. Sunod yan. Daming error. Uy, ba't nawala tong mga to? Wait lang. Oo, wait. So, sorry. Kailangan ko pala gumawa ng bagong object. Or hindi. Hindi. Kailangan ko pwede gawin sa aksak. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh. Ang daming error. Sakit sa ulo. Give me a clue. Is a list of account. Directly on the list. Find which accounts are. Ayun, yung for each. Magkaaroon ka ng panibagong variable which is si current user. Next, there's add a pin property in your box so you can check it. So, magkaaroon ka ng current user, which is gonna be another object na naman. Oh my gosh. Wala na ako maintindihan. List of account, put your triangle minutes. Okay. Find which account matches the pin. Ayun nga eh. Tapos then you made that a user, current user account. Then you call methods on that. Store that account in a variable. Yes. But null. Ano yung null? Ano yung pin property? What is a null and a pin property? Nothing or no object. Means no account selected yet. Yeah, I did the same thing. Kagi, private ko lang yan. Ah, yeah. Oh my god, nothing is going in my... Tama na muna to. Exhausted. Daming errors. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's it for now. Stop muna ako. Okay. My god. Yung chaka challenge. Pero ang daming error.